Hello, this is Chris Howard with Real of Ohio, and today I'm excited to welcome you to 4200 Phillips Street in Enon. This bi-level home offers 5 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half bath with approximately 1,622 square feet of living space. Currently listed at $259,900, the layout provides flexibility and comfort across 2 finished levels. As you approach the property, the exterior presents a clean and established feel. It's the kind of home that feels settled within the neighborhood. Walking toward the entrance, you can already picture the routine of arriving home and stepping inside to unwind. Opening the front door, you're welcomed into a bright and inviting main level. The wood-look solid surface flooring immediately gives the space a modern appearance while remaining durable for everyday living. The main living area offers an open yet comfortable atmosphere. Natural light flows through the windows, helping the room feel airy during the day and warm in the evening. The layout supports both quiet nights at home and gatherings with friends or family. The transition from the living room into the kitchen feels natural and connected. The kitchen becomes the central hub of the home. Granite countertops provide durability and visual appeal, while the center island adds valuable prep space and a natural gathering point. And the kitchen includes a glass-top electric range, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. Having these major appliances already in place simplifies the move-in process and adds everyday convenience. The balance of counter space and open floor area allows the kitchen to function efficiently without feeling crowded. It's a layout designed for both daily routines and occasional entertaining. Continuing through the main level, the bedroom spaces provide flexibility. With 5 bedrooms throughout the home, there are multiple options for sleeping arrangements, guest space, home offices, or hobby rooms. The neutral finishes allow each room to adapt to your needs over time. The home includes 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bath, positioned to serve both levels effectively. This setup helps streamline busy mornings and adds convenience when hosting. Now let's head downstairs to the finished walkout basement, where the home expands its usable living space. The lower level features a generous family or recreation area that can serve as a second living room, media space, or game area. The separation between levels allows different activities to happen simultaneously while maintaining comfort and privacy. 2 additional bedrooms are located on this level, increasing the home's flexibility. Whether used for guests, workspace, or additional sleeping areas, the layout supports a variety of living scenarios. The walkout design connects the lower level directly to the backyard and allows natural light to enter the space, helping it feel integrated rather than isolated. Stepping outside, the fenced-in backyard offers privacy and function. The deck provides a designated area for outdoor dining, grilling, or simply enjoying time outside during warmer months. In addition to the yard and deck, the property includes a 1-car detached garage with an opener. If you would like more information or want to schedule a private showing, contact Chris Howard with Real of Ohio. I would be happy to answer your questions and help you take the next step towards seeing this home in person.